Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get the homework and get it imported into Eclipse. So here I am, I'm already in Eclipse, and I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the course website. Pull this in the view here. So we're at the course website, and I'm just going to click on the first homework and download this code bundle, just a zip file. So I'll save that to my desktop. Okay. Now we're done that. Now back in Eclipse, I'm just going to go to File, Import, and then once we're here, I'm going to expand this general thing, and then we're going to click on Existing Projects into Workspace and click Next. The next thing is you select, you check the box next to Select Archive File, and then you just click Browse and find your archive file. So for me, it's on my desktop. And it's called yourname-homework1.zip. And then just click OK. Now it'll go out and look at that zip file and see if there's any Eclipse projects in there. And there's an Eclipse project called yourname-homework1. So you just check it and click Finish. Okay? And now it's right there in Eclipse. So you know, you'll get your homework assignment and you'll open up some stuff. And then you'll go ahead and make your changes. Here are my changes. Save all your stuff. And then when you're done and you want to submit, first things first, you want to go to the project and right-click on it and say refactor and rename. Okay, so anytime you want to rename something in Eclipse, whether that be a class or even a variable, you can right-click on it and say refactor and then rename. Okay, so it would be great if you could just name this either your name or your username would be fine. So my username is mbone, and then I'm just going to click OK, and it'll make the changes. So now I have mbone-homework1. And I'm going to submit this, so you'll just go to File, Export. This will pop up. You'll go to General again, and you'll say Archive File, and click Next. And then here's where you check the project that you want. So I'm going to export mbone-homework1. And I want to, you can save it in a zip format. That'd be fine. And all these default options should be okay. And then here in this browse is where you tell it where you want to save it. So I'll save it to my desktop, and I'll just say I'll just call it mbone-homework1.zip. If you could just follow this naming convention, it would be pretty handy for me. So then click OK and click Finish. So now this is out there. You can see it right here. It's mbone-homework1.zip. And when I grade them, I'll import them just like you import the regular homeworks. And as far as it goes, you'll just go to Blackboard, .lec.edu. You'll just sign in. And once you're signed in, you'll just click on the data structure thing and go to Assignments. And you'll just do this View and Complete Homework 1. And you can just browse file and upload it. So for me, it's on my desktop, mbone-homework1.zip. And it's very important that you actually click Submit and not just Save, because if you just click Save, I can't actually download the file. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click Submit. I'm not going to do that because I don't know what it will do if I do that. But for you, that's all you're going to do. So just make sure you follow those naming conventions and you rename the project with your name, and make sure you rename name the zip file the same way with your name and then dash and then homework 1 or lab 1 or homework 2 or whatever. All right, that's all I have, and thanks.